Poison control, may I help you?
My family isn't feeling well. We all have headaches, nausea, and dizziness, and my children seem groggy.
I know the storm has caused power outages. What are you using as a power source?
We have a generator going in the basement.
We're glad you called. I believe that your family may be suffering from carbon monoxide poisoning. Get everyone out to fresh air immediately and call 911. We need all of you in the emergency room if you're showing signs of illness.
Carbon monoxide is a silent killer. Never run a generator inside your home, basement, or attached garage, and always call your poison center to be safe.